A cat and a tiger. An old cat said to her daughter, "Please go out, get some food." The young cat went out. She ran here and there. She saw a tiger. The tiger said, "You are a lovely cat. I will eat you." The cat was in danger. She jumped on a tree. The cat said, "I am a small cat. Do not eat me. You are my uncle." The tiger said, "I am not your uncle. Why do you call me uncle?" The cat said, "My mother is your sister. You are her brother." The tiger said, "No, I am not. Come down." The cat said, "I can come down, but do not eat me. I am your friend." She again said to the tiger, "I see some men in the forest. They want to take you to the zoo. As you eat me, I will cry. As I cry, the men will come here. They will find you." The tiger said, "Yes, yes, I am your uncle. Thank you." The tiger ran away.